Sasa, welcome back. If you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone interested in our educational system, you might be hearing a lot of big words about grade 10 and senior school. You're hearing about pathways, tracks, and competencies. It can get a little confusing, sindio? Let's put the big words aside for a minute and let's break it down to the basics. Here is the most important thing you need to know. Senior school is where the specialization begins. We are moving away from the system in junior school where every learner did the exact same subjects. In grade 10, the magic number is 7. Every student in senior school will take a total of 7 learning areas. This is the rule. And the formula is very simple. It is 4 plus 3. You just have 4 compulsory subjects, and these are the ones everyone must do, no matter what their talent is. And then we have 3 elective subjects. These are the ones the learners choose based on what they want to become in the future. So simply put, 4 must-dos plus 3 choices equals 7 subjects. Hapo tuko pamoja? Let's look at these must-dos, the 4 compulsory subjects. These are the subjects that give every Kenyan learner the foundation they need, whether they want to become a doctor, a musician, or even a business person. Number 1, English and Kiswahili or KSL. Every learner takes English, that is 5 lessons a week. Then, every learner takes Kiswahili or Kenyan Sign Language if they have hearing impairments. That is also 5 lessons a week. So, language is key. You have to communicate effectively. Number 2, mathematics, the big choice. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Everyone must take mathematics, but unlike before, it is not one size fits all. We now have 2 types of math, and the learner picks the one that fits their career path. Option A is core mathematics. This is the heavy lifting. This is for the students who want to get into STEM. If you want to be an engineer, a scientist, or a doctor, you take core math. It deals with complex stuff, abstract algebra, intense geometry, and things you need for the hard sciences. Option B is essential mathematics. This is for the learners in arts, sports, or social sciences. Let's be honest. If you want to become a journalist or a musician, do you really need complex calculus? Maybe not. But you do need to know how to manage money, how to run a business, and how to understand statistics so you don't get cheated. Essential math teaches you financial literacy and practical skills for daily life. So everyone does math, but you choose the math that serves your future. Number 3, community service learning, CSL. This is the final compulsory subject. This is not just cleaning the market. No. This is a real subject with 3 lessons a week. It teaches learners how to identify problems in their community and actually solve them using what they've learned in class. It builds citizenship. Now, before we rush to choose the electives, there's something else. We call this the mandatory support learning areas. These are subjects that learners must attend even though they aren't part of the big 7 exam subjects. They are there to make sure that the student is healthy, disciplined, and tech savvy. Number 1, physical education, PE. You need to be physically fit to learn well. Number 2, ICT skills. And please do not confuse this with computer studies. ICT skills is for everyone, just learning how to use a computer, the internet, and basic productivity tools. Computer studies, on the other hand, is a tough elective for those who want to code or build systems. Number 3, PPI, Pastoral Program of Instruction. This is for spiritual growth and character. So, that is the foundation. Every learner in senior school starts here. Compulsory subjects, English, Kiswahili, Math, CSL, plus the support subjects PE, ICT, and PPI. On the next video, we're going to look at the exciting part, the 3 electives. This is where we talk about the pathways: STEM, social sciences, and arts and sports. This is where the learner gets to follow their passion. See you on the next one.